In today's video, I'm going to share a method with you which I have done personally and I've earned over $50,000. And here's a cool thing. It doesn't cost anything to get started with. You don't need any skills and you don't need any experience. And in this video, I'll show you the process from start to finish. And I'll also show you what is, in my opinion, a better way of doing this traditional route. So what is the method and how can you do this yourself? Well, as I mentioned, you can start this from anywhere in the world with zero skills, experience, and it doesn't take that long to get the whole method up and running. So let me share with you some examples of this, okay? So to start with, we're going to come over here and we're going to go to a website called Munchai. Okay, well, first of all, let me just show you some proof, because I know some of you were saying, well, you said you were going to share us shows your proof. You can see over here, this is my earnings over on this platform over here. It's called Warrior Plus. Now, this is all time, and you can see these are the different products, the sales and other bits, and we'll come back to all of this in a while, okay? But let me first of all start over here, and we'll start at the beginning of this method. So this website is called munchai.com. It's absolutely free. You don't need to sign up or anything. So what happens on here? If I scroll down here, on the left hand side we've got big launches, and on the right hand side we have got all launches. Now, what are launches? So basically you have content creators, people who create courses, who create pieces of software and other bits. Now basically when they launch that product into the market, that it announces it on this platform here. Now this method is known as launch jacking, and what that means is, let me give you an actual example of this. So let's go and find one. Let's look at Amy's products over here. So we can see here, this product over here, it is what? EDU Printable Decor Made Easy. We can see what the product is, we can see how much it costs, and how much you can expect to earn from this. Now, how this method works is, when this product is launching, Amy's launching her product into the marketplace, other affiliates can sign up and they will earn a percentage of every sale they send over to Amy. Now, when the product launches, all the affiliate marketers will email their email lists, funnily enough, about this product, and they'll say, this is the product by Amy, it's this printable decor book, you can go ahead and check it out here. Now, what happens is, everyone goes either on Google, on YouTube, and they start searching out, in this example, EDU Printable Decor Made Easy review, feedback, honest review, etc. So yeah, collectively you have, in some examples of these launches, you have thousands of people who are all looking for information about this product, and they want to know, what it is, what's included, how much it will cost them, and also bonuses that people are giving away. As it's like an ethical bribe, whereby you say, if you buy this product via my link instead of somebody over here, I will give you some bonuses that I've put together. So this is how this method works. So if we scroll down here, let's go over here. So where it says JV page, I'm going to click on here, okay? And it's going to open up in a new tab. And it tells you the date the product is being released. It tells you a little bit about this. You normally have a video on here, or a walkthrough showing you about it. And we can see this is what it is. This is what's included. So look, products on Etsy. And we'll go further on the page here. And we can see here there's an affiliate contest. And here is the information about the product. So, if you wanted to sign up as an affiliate, this is how much it costs to the buyer. For this, you would earn 50% commissions for sending somebody over to this product here. Then they've got these things here. This is known as a one-time offer. So this is the price, this is how much you will earn. This is the second one, this is the price, how much you will earn. And then we've got an OTR number 3. And traditionally on a lot of these platforms, they normally have many upsells. So we can scroll down here and we can see, look, other offers, other things about this. Click below for links, swipes and more. So you see over here where it says sales page. Let's have a look at this, see if it's actually up and running. Let's go over to the sales page. So this is whereby you would get a link and send traffic over here. So this is the sales page where somebody would buy the product, okay? And yeah, it's pretty much telling us all of the same stuff over here. Okay, we can see lots more information on this. So this method is known as launch jacking, okay? Now, the problem we have with traditional launch jacking, and let me go back over here, is this over here. So let me go back and I'll show you this now. So you can see on here, look, these are the dates. And today's date is I can't even see that. What is today's date? The 19th of April. So today we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different products launching in the market, and they're all of these ones here. And the following day we've got these products here, etc, etc. So what happens is, let's say I was promoting Amy's product today. So I do a product about this, so I would do an EDU printable decor made easy review, and then I would put that out, and then everyone's emailing their lists, and then their lists are going online and they're looking for product reviews, or want to know more about it, the price, etc. That's great. But then what happens is, in a couple more days, everyone's now onto this product, or this product, or this product. Okay? So what happens is, the content that you created for Amy's product over here, it's only relevant for normally about a week, because, after a week, everyone's forgot about Amy's product, and they're now onto, this product over here. And then a week later, they're onto this product, and this product, etc, etc, okay? But don't get me wrong, this method, it works. You can make some pretty decent money for this. I'll give you a real life example, okay? So if I come over here, and I've just typed into YouTube YT Evo software review. This is a product that I reviewed over a year ago, and it's had 3,200 views, which is, it's okay, isn't it? It's not bad. However, no one's now searching for YT Evo software review. They've forgotten about it, they're now on to the next product launch, which is, any one of these numbers down here. There's hundreds of them. So, how do you do this method yourself? Well, the first part is, if you want to go down the route of, creating content for launch jacking, it's really simple. You pick a product, you come on here, you have a look at the product, you look at the sales page, and you see what it's all about. Then what you can do is, and this isn't cheeky by the way, you can actually reach out to the content creator down here. Yeah, down here. You can contact them, and you can, no, where is it? There's no, oh, you can go here, look, contact Amy here. A lot of the time they'll have social links, whether it's Facebook, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, and many more places. And you can say, can I get review access? Which basically means they will go ahead and give you that product in exchange for you doing a review, and showing people exactly what it is inside, what's included, and lots more. Now, there's also these things over here which are known as affiliate contests, whereby if you get the most sales, you can also earn some additional money on top of the commissions that you would earn down here as well. So this is launch jacking. So you go and find a product on Muncheye like this. You have a look at what it's about over on the JV page over here. You request an affiliate link, which is here. You can see here. Get your Warrior Plus link. Then once you've got that link, you have a number of options. You can go ahead and create a YouTube video, which is, a lot of people do this. You can also create a website and start putting articles on that website, which is free, by the way. You can do this with, Wix, there's Google, and there's hundreds of free website builders that you can do. And then what you also want to do is you want to create a bonus package, to make it a bit more desirable to somebody to buy through your link instead of somebody else's. And all you're doing here is you're giving them a collection of bonuses. Now for this, for me, if I was, an affiliate for this product, and I was looking at this is all in the printable market, I would go and probably create my own bonus. And you could do this, using free softwares like Canva.com. You could even buy PLR. And there's lots of options you can do when it comes to giving bonuses away as as an ethical bribe for somebody to buy the product through your affiliate link. Now, if I come back over onto here, I want to show you exactly what I mean by this. So this YT Evo software, let's just go to here. I'm going to type in YT Evolution, so you can see again how I do this. YT Evolution software. Hit on go. And we're going to scroll down here, and we can see, look, this was the product, and we're going to open this up. So on this review, and feel free to go ahead and have a look at this. Me, the way I do this is I always create a YouTube video so I can share with people exactly what's inside of the product. And then I also have an article where I go through and talk about this. And you can see over here, I have included bonuses, because if ever I'm recommending a product to anyone to buy, I want them to get the best from it. So I always try and find products which are relevant to the actual product I'm promoting. I don't do what other affiliates do, whereby they just give away a lot of PLR ebooks and things. I try and make sure everything is congruent and the bonuses match the product. And if we scroll down here, I show the benefits of this. Who is this product for? come further on the page and you can see on here, look. So this piece of software is about, what was it? This is about automated websites and how to literally set this up, and it runs away. So all of these bonuses here, like this one, social media robots, this shows you how to go ahead and, as you can see on here, get traffic to your website via social media. We've got another one down here. We've got blogging for profits because it's relevant to, creating a website. I've got an affiliate spreadsheet and a walkthrough video of me setting this up. And then we've also got another video on here. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, I know people are online looking to buy this product. I want them to buy, through my affiliate link. So I go ahead and put together the best bonus package I can to, try and get someone to buy through me instead of somebody else. Now, this method is launch jacking, and you can see if you want to have a go at this, you absolutely can do. And this product's launching every single day. The method what I recommend instead, it works very similar. Now what you can do is, so for example here, this YT Evolution, it's gone, people are not searching for it anymore. Instead what I like to do is, I like to go ahead and find, products which are launching into the marketplace or have launched previously, and I like to know exactly what they're about. And then I like to create evergreen content around that, and then that same piece of content will be, getting views. People will be watching videos, reading the website articles, for months and even years down the line. Because if I come down here, I'll show you this, not that one, this one here. Make money with automated websites. Very simple passive income. So essentially, this is me sharing that piece of software, that YT Evolution software. I am sharing this, but I'm showing people, the process and everything around it, so how they can build an automated website builder. And I'll do a video on that in a couple of weeks, because it's been about a year since I shared one on this. But if I scroll on here, look, you can see how does it work. I do a video, how to make money with automated websites, and I show, how to do this step by step and how to get the software. Now, here's the cool thing. Doing it this way, creating evergreen content, you're not going to be burning yourself out over on Muncheye, doing, launch jacking every single day. You're creating content which, you do one time, and you can get so much traffic with this. And we'll stay on this topic here, this YT Evolution, and I'll share with you a proper example of this. So this is the software that I did over a year ago. Now, if I get rid of this and I just type in automated affiliate marketing system, and we're going to scroll down. Was it this one? This one over here, look. This was done 8 months ago over on my affiliate channel. This is automated affiliate marketing. This is me showing that article, and it's still getting views. It's had nearly 3,000 views, and it's still earning money. And I'll share that with you now. So if I come back over here into Warrior Plus, and we'll go back into that product, because that is called YT Evolution. When this loads up, I'm sorry, I don't know why this is going. There we go. So if I click on YT Evolution, and we'll go into this, and we'll just click on the last 30 days, and we will click on Go, and see how much I've earned in the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, is that right? Yeah, no, it's not. I haven't earned $6,000 in the last 30 days. Let's go back here. Let's go last 30 days and click on Go. You can see here, it's earned $282 in the last 30 days from this over here. This automated affiliate marketing video here. And here's a cool thing. If I go into here and I pause this video, you can see the video's it's coming up to 3,000 views, but it's still getting views every single day. And if I scroll down here, I want to show you this. What's even cooler about this is, where's it gone? We've gone past it? No, it's here. Scroll down a bit further. Blimey, it keeps jumping. See here where, let me pause this, sorry. Let me pause this. I'm going to go back down here. I'm going to go to video tags on the right hand side. You can see here, look, if someone goes on YouTube and types in automated affiliate marketing, this video is ranking in position number 1. If someone types in automated affiliate marketing system, it's in position number 3. This one is in position number 1, and this one down here, position number 1. So I have got 4 different search terms that people are putting into YouTube, and this video is ranking in position number 1 for 3 of them, and position number 3 for this one over here from one piece of content. So that one video, which is about the same amount of time as it took me to do the review video, yet it's ranking for these different search terms. It's still getting views. You can see down here, it says, where's it gone? Is it on this one? It's saying here over here it's getting half a view an hour. But it's getting views every single day, and as you can see over here, it's still earning me money even now. And this video was put out 10 months ago, I think it was, August 19 of last year. But because that video is ranked, I'm earning money passively, and that's the awesome thing about this method. So you have two options. You can go down the option of Launchjacking, which is whereby you go through this process, find a product, look at some bonuses you can put together, and then create a review article or a review video. Or you can go down the better method, in my opinion, which is creating evergreen content for a product or a piece of software, and you can be earning money for months and even years down the line. It's pretty awesome. And look, if you want to learn how to do this literally step by step, you can go and check out my YouTube course, which is this one over here. I've also got a free course, by the way, so I'll drop a link to my free course below. This one is my paid course, and this shares everything about, making money online on YouTube, specifically with affiliate marketing, and we cover everything. You can see here, creating the channel. We look at the upload process, we look at money funnels, perfect video formula, we've got updates in here, and lots more. So yeah, that is today's video. So essentially, you can make money from zero using the Launchjack method. But if you want to, take it a step further, I would highly recommend you go down the route of creating evergreen content. So look, all of the links will be down below for you. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.